Hi everybody, it's Julie Davison. My husband's out fishing with the kids and I had a quiet house and thought I'd get on and show you a quick card. So the card that I'm going to make today is using the Picture Perfect birthday stamp set. It's in the Occasions catalog on page 4. It's the first thing when you open up the 2018 Occasions catalog. And so you can see all kinds of project ideas. The stamp set I'm using is the Picture Perfect stamp set, and it coordinates with this awesome paper. So it comes in 6x6, and one side is kind of like more photographic, and then the other side is more of like a 2D design. So it's really cool paper. In the package you get 4 of each sheet. There's 12 different designs, so it's a total of 48 sheets, and it's $10. So I'm using a little bit of that paper. I'm using the stamp set, but the other thing I'm using, and I think these get overlooked a lot, is the Picture Perfect Classic Stampin' Spots. So these are like little mini ink pads, and if you are just starting out as a new stamper, or if you just don't have a lot of ink pads yet, this is a really great way to get a lot of different colors without spending a ton of money. Hi there, Sandy. I'm so glad that you're tuning in today. Okay, so this is the card that I'm going to show you guys how to make using the stamp set. A little bit of paper, a little glimmer paper, and I'm featuring those Stampin' Spots. So this collection comes with 4. And it is $9 for the 4 spots. If you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, then you're probably very familiar with the Stampin' Spots, because it's the same little ink pads that come in the Paper Pumpkin kits. But these colors are chosen specifically to coordinate with the Picture Perfect designer paper. So if you get the paper, there's a cardstock pack to match. You can make cards and have it all match. So I've picked a little piece of the Picture Perfect paper, and I'm using a package of our Whisper White note cards and envelopes. I love these for quick and simple cards. The finished size of the note card is 3.5 by 5. So it's a little bit smaller than a standard card, but it fits inside the envelope that comes with it, and you can mail it. It's not too small to mail. So I'm going to keep this flat. But the package, I forgot to mention, it comes with 20 note cards and envelopes. And I think it's like $6, maybe $7 in the US. So it's a really great value. And you can make a ton of cards for not too much money. So if you have a lot of birthday cards to make, you can make up a whole bunch, 20, with just a little bit of supplies. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these onto the side of the card. And how did I have it? The paper's on the end. Oh, it's so quiet all of a sudden. And then the glimmer paper. And the glimmer paper is from the Myths and Magic glimmer paper set. So there's 3 different colors. There's a green, and then the Bermuda Bay, and just a regular dazzling diamond. So in the Occasions catalog, those are back here. The Myths and Magic 6x6 glimmer paper. So that is the glimmer paper that I'm using. I just cut a little strip of that. The paper is about 1/2 inch by 5 inches, and the glimmer paper is like 1/4 of an inch, maybe 3/8 of an inch. All right, so now that I've got those on there, I kind of have an idea of where I need to put my stamps. I'm going to start with the greeting, and I'm using the Berry Burst Stampin' Spot. Now, you'll probably have this problem that the ink pad is smaller than the stamp. So what I do is I just turn it around and I ink the stamp directly. Again, this is the Picture Perfect birthday card. So I'm going to start by stamping the greeting, and then I will stamp the candles above it. Okay, so the candles, there are 3 different stamps for the candles. There's the stripes, the polka dots, and then the solid stamp. So I'm going to stamp the solid stamp and then the design over it. So I'm using Pool Party, which is the lighter blue in the set. And the first one I'm going to do right in the center. And then I'm gonna do one on either side. So this helps me to space it better. If I started with the one on the left and then tried to go to the middle and the right, then I feel like my spacing might be a little bit off and not centered directly over the greeting. But by starting in the middle, I can add candles on either side and space them a little bit better. All right, so that was the pool party color, and now I'm gonna add the detail in Bermuda Bay. So I have one on either side of my block, and I'm gonna do the stripes in the middle, and then flip it over and ink up the polka dots. Like that, almost done. The last part of the candle is the flame, so I'm going to use the fourth color in this set and add the flame on top of each candle. And that is it. My card is done. Isn't that awesome? So quick and easy. So I could make up a whole bunch of these in no time at all. On this one, I just wanted to show you, I did add some diamonds, dazzling diamonds, no, rhinestones. I added some rhinestones on each flame just to dress it up a little bit, but I think the glimmer really adds enough sparkle. So you can leave it as is, or you can add some diamonds, but just a really quick and easy card using the perfect picture-perfect birthday stamp set. And again, those Stampin' spots. So look for those in the Occasions catalog. I feel like there's another set in there somewhere that coordinates with another suite. But that's what they look like, and they're perfect because they coordinate with the paper and with the cardstock pack. So that's my card for today. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.